In the case of side angle side, we are going to use the law of cosines. Let's just draw a picture of this thing. We have side B, or rather angle B, so I'm just going to go ahead and label that as 77 degrees. We have side A, which is directly across from angle A, and we have side C, which is directly across from angle C. So notice side, angle, side. Now, there are several laws of cosines. We want to use the one that has the opposite of our angle on the left-hand side. So we want our b squared on the left-hand side, which means we're going to use this formula. Alright, so let's fill in. We don't know what b squared is, but we know what everything on the right is. A squared will be 8 squared. I'm sorry, A is the 5 squared. C squared will be 8 squared. 2 times 5 times 8, and cosine of 77 degrees. And if you have a graphing calculator, you can put the entire right hand side of this into your calculator at once. If not, you'll have to take it step by step to get the answer that I'm about to get. On the right side, I get b squared equals 71.0039. And then to get b itself, we'll take the square root of that. The square root of 71, b is approximately 8.4. And notice I rounded it off to the same decimal points that were listed up here. Alright, now, we now have b. Let's go back to our law of sines, and we'll use sine of 77 degrees over its opposite side, 8.4. And let's find angle A. Sine of A over its opposite side, 5.0. Cross multiply just like before. 8.4 sine of A equals 5 times sine of 77. Divide out my 8.4. And we get sine of A is equal to whatever this is when we stick it in the calculator. 5 sine of 77 divided by 8.4 gives me 0.57998. And to get my A back, I'm just going to do sine inverse of this number. And I get that A is approximately 35 degrees. Alright, now we still need angle C. We can get that easily by subtracting our 77 degrees and our 35 degrees from 180. And when I do that, I get that C is 68 degrees. And we have all of our triangle.